Superior silver kitchen knives set, professional and high-quality cutlery set for all your cooking needs. It's also a best wedding gift for your friends or Mother's Day gift for your mother, or a gift for yourself. High-carbon stainless steel blades. Astercook sharp knife set is constructed of high-quality rust-resistant stainless steel. Whether you have used the knife set for a long time, or cut steak, cake or cheese, it will not rust. Dishwasher Safe. The knife set is easy to maintain. Dishwasher Safe. Perfect for storage after washing and drying. So you don't need to bother with cleaning knives anymore. One-piece value knife set. 15 pieces knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 santoku knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 PCs, 4.5 serrated steak knife, 1% kitchen shears, 1% knife sharpening rod, and natural acacia wood knife block. Lifetime warranty. Each knife set are backed by excellent quality and undergo strict quality inspection. We want each of our customers to be 100% satisfied with our products and services, so no matter you have any problems in the process of use, you can contact us directly by email. We will give you a satisfactory answer within 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. My sis treats them like crap and they still work with no rust. So I gave these to my sister and brother-in-law with like zero care instructions about drying and that kind of thing. My brother-in-law is probably using the larger knives to string tennis rackets and open cans of paint, while my sister is likely throwing all the knives in the dishwasher and leaving it for a day or possibly two. During my periodic visits I haven't seen any rust. I mean, they might have a dryer function on their dishwasher or they're being careful, but these things seem to take being treated roughly pretty well. Plus, as far as a gift option for people who don't take care of knives well, the steel handle does seem to hold up better than plastic ones do. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on it.